Cleanliness, they say, is next to godliness. Cleaning and maintaining a home is not an easy task at all. It is easier said than done. In order to maintain a healthy environment, you must put in the work to achieve that. If you have been looking for smart ways to save time and energy while keeping a cleaner home, then follow these easy daily cleaning tips. On Mondays, wipe down kitchen appliances. Clean appliances usually work better and run more efficiently. So, wipe down with a clean cloth and if need be, wash the ones that need to be washed. Next, vacuum carpets and mop floors. Refresh your carpet by using carpet cleaner. You can also sprinkle baking soda or carpet deodorant on your carpet to remove any odor. Tuesdays, wipe down all countertops. Dust furniture and shelving. You can do this by washing, dusting, cleaning, and keeping them dry. You'll just need napkins and brushes for this. On Wednesdays, clean out fridge and pantry. Remove shelves, drawers, and trays from fridge for easy cleaning. Dust and clean food and other items in the pantry and rearrange them. Next, clean the lights, wipe stitches, and doorknobs. Most often, the above accumulate dust and dead bugs, so there is the need to spend some few minutes to clean them very well. Clean them with a mixture of water and washing soap. On Thursdays, you can clean windows and mirrors, scrub toilets, showers, taps, and sinks. The above can become filthy with regular use, and this can create unpleasant odor. Frequent cleaning will eliminate the filth and odor. The bathroom drain also needs frequent cleaning, and it can be cleaned with baking soda and salt solution. Clean inside the bathroom cabinet. Mix soap with warm water and use a clean, damp sponge to wipe the cabinet down. Make sure not to use too much water and always wipe down extra moisture. Then on Fridays, clean and arrange books and magazines. Bookshelves as well as the top of books can hold a lot of dust and dirt. Clean them thoroughly by removing everything from the shelves. Wipe and clean the shelves and the books and rearrange them nicely. Scrub kitchen sink. Give your sink a good scrub with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide or white vinegar. A mixture of the two is the best way to clean most sinks. Sprinkle the baking soda onto the basin until fully covered and add drops of either hydrogen peroxide or vinegar over it and use a sponge or a brush to scrub. Once thoroughly cleaned, wash down the drain. Then, on weekends, clean inside the oven and microwaves. Clean the microwave and oven by combining a cup of water, some white vinegar, and slices of lemon or orange, and microwave for some minutes to remove bad odor and greases. Then, change bed sheets and cases. Bed sheets and cases are soiled by everyday use and so should be changed regularly, preferably weekly. Wash all laundry. Collect all laundry at the end of the week and wash. This will make your house clean. Take out the rubbish and disinfect the garbage bins. Garbage bins go through a lot in the kitchen, so they need special care. After disposing the rubbish, disinfect the bin with lemons. Simply cut lemon, boil for a few minutes, and use to clean the bin. I hope this will motivate you to start cleaning your house if you are not in the habit of doing it. As always, stay dedicated because it is not going to happen overnight. Thanks for making time with me today also. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.